Hi all, my name is Nirikshit Santosh Naik and I am studying in 9th standard. So today I am going to explain about ramp pump. So first I will explain how to make it and how to build it. So afterwards I will show the working of it. So at first we will start with the materials which I used to make it. So you can see this is a piece of pipe connected with some T and couplings, two non-return valves and two get valves, a coupling and some pipes, a T connected with pieces of pipes, and this is a water bottle of Mazza Pepsi bottle. So some pipes. Now we'll start building. As you can see, at first I used a small pipe and a T and a threading coupling. Between this I have used a small piece of pipe and a coupling over here and a L and a piece of pipe and connected with threading coupling. So next, this is a non-return wall. There will be arrow mark over here. You can see the arrow mark. It means the water will go only out of here. It will not go at the backward side. So in this also you can see that the water will come only outside. It will not get inside from this side. So here you have to connect the arrow mark in the way that the water is only out. You have to connect the arrow mark upper side like this. So as it is connected, now at the second you can see the arrow mark over here. How you connected the arrow mark here? Exactly opposite to that you have to connect it now to here. So I am fixing it and show you the arrow marks are opposite to each other. So here you can see this arrow mark is at downside and this is at the upper side. So next I am using this threading coupling over here that I could supply the water upside. So next here you have to use the T which I have fixed with all side of pipes. So I will use this like this over here. So here now, so you can see, so this will the water inlet and this will the outlet. And over here I will fix the bottle like this by using gums. And here I will use a wall to leave the water in such amount. From here I will also use a wall that how much amount of water should come in. So here will be the small pipe, this long pipe to be used over here like this, that the water will get out, and this pipe will be here. Like this it will be connected, that the inlet water supply. You can see it once correctly how I have fixed it. Afterwards I will show you the working of it. Yes, after all I will fix this all with using a gum and M-seals. So you can see this is fully loose. I will fix it with M-seal. Afterwards I will show you that I have fixed it. So yes, I am ready with the ramp pump now. As I told you, I have fixed the bottle with some gums over here, and I have fixed this too. As you can see, I have fixed it clearly. Once again I will explain you. There are two non-return valves and a bottle of 2 liters and two get valves and some pipes And this is the bucket which I am used, which will be the inlet, and that black color pipe will be the outlet of the water. You see it is too long to take it very far and high. I have made the pipe very long, you can see. So let's start the process. At first we have to fill the water in the ram pump. As you can see, I am filling the water. The water is not filled still. Yes, now it is filled. So now I'll start the process. We'll put it in. I will start here to this work. This process should be going on till it catch its speed. You will get the speed of it. So I'll start the process. So you can see the beat. For 1 second, for 2 to 3 seconds, this will close. You can see the pressure. The water is getting filling water in it. You can see before it was very low. Now the pressure is very speed. So I will start leaving the water slowly. So it will take some time to get the water till there, so that the water should fill in all that pipe. So as you can see, it is moving now. So you can see now the water is lifting up. No, still not. You can see the water is falling. You can see that the water is falling. So this was about the working of ram pump. If you like this video, please like the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. So you can see I have increased the level of the bucket. Now the bucket is slightly high. So the water which is lifting is also bit catch its speed. Now it's lifting more water. You can see that it is lifting more water. So the beat of this also is increased now. So thanks for watching our video. Now the process is also stopped because the water is also empty. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please like our video. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.